5 parts. The first part of the brain, there are two cerebral hemispheres, right and left. The two cerebral hemispheres, they are separated by median longitudinal sulcus in the center, which is having the fold of dura mater, that is a falx cerebri. Now, the other parts of the brain, this is a brainstem. The brainstem is made up of midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata, and there are two cerebellar hemispheres. The brain, the largest part of the brain is cerebral hemisphere. The two cerebral hemispheres, right and left, they are connected by the band of white fibers present in the center, which is called as corpus callosum. Each cerebral hemisphere is having 3 surfaces, 3 borders, 4 lobes and 3 poles. The surfaces are superior lateral surface, which is the outermost convex surface and it is the largest surface. Medial surface is the inner surface, which is facing the medial surface of another cerebral hemisphere. Next surface, inferior surface. The inferior surface is dividing into 2 parts, anterior orbital part, posterior tentorial part. Both the parts are separated by stem of lateral sulcus. Each cerebral hemisphere is having 3 borders. The first border, this is a sharp border, superior medial border, which is separating superior lateral surface from medial surface. Inferior lateral border, separating superior lateral surface from inferior surface. Inferior medial border, separating inferior surface from medial surface. Each cerebral hemisphere is having 4 lobes. Now, for knowing the lobes, you should know the sulcus. First, there is a central sulcus present in the center of superior lateral surface. Central sulcus is beginning right from the medial surface and appearing on superior lateral surface. Second sulcus, this is a lateral sulcus. This is a lateral sulcus horizontal part and this is a posterior ramus of lateral sulcus. Because of central sulcus and lateral sulcus, the other sulcus, parieto-occipital sulcus, is present over the medial surface. The whole cerebral hemisphere is dividing into 4 lobes. The central sulcus, the lobe present right in front of the central sulcus, this is the frontal lobe. Lobe present behind the central sulcus, this is the parietal lobe. The lobe which is posterior most lobe, occipital lobe, which is the smallest lobe present behind parieto-occipital sulcus. Below the lateral sulcus, a lobe is present, that is a temporal lobe. Right in front of the central sulcus, there present precentral sulcus in the frontal lobe, and there present precentral gyrus, which is a motor area fold. Behind the central sulcus, there present postcentral sulcus. Postcentral sulcus and central sulcus, between that a gyrus is present, postcentral gyrus, which is a sensory area 312.